How's it looking?
It's looking good, but I'm a little stressed right now.
Why?
I need some drugs.
I'll get you some Red Bull.
Sounds good. That works too.
Thank you.
My first Red Bull today.
Cheers.
The crappy part about this whole build was right before I made the decision to do the swap. Conveniently, my E30, one of the rocker arms on my M20 motor, like I think the nut came loose, and something blew a hole through the bottom of my cylinder head. You know, I pulled out the powertrain of the E30, ended up doing a full motor rebuild, and we turned it on and found this huge oil leak. The bottom of the seal on the rear main backplate seal was like smushed under the oil pan. So when we installed it and we put the oil pan on, it pushed the seal back just enough to allow oil to just pour out of the bottom of the block when we turned it on. The entire month we built this car before taking it to SEMA, I didn't have a daily. Blake Rasmussen, a good friend of mine who came over to help me edit, he picked me up, and I had a tow truck driver bring my car over to two BMW techs that lived in Bellevue.
Are you going to?
I probably should. What's up, man? I'm Zach.
Very nice to meet you.
Good to meet you. Good to meet you. How are you?
Nice car.
Thank you. Oh man, it's got a bunch of crap on it. Thank you very much.
You have a good one.
Good to see you.
Yeah, wing feels good.
Dude, be careful about that, man. You might get into another lawsuit.
What? Lawsuit?
Another one. Aren't you the guy that sued Red Bull for...
Yeah, I didn't see a penny of that. My lawyers took all of it. It sucked. Lawyers are expensive. I'll never do that again.
Dang, this footage looks dope. Final Cut Pro, man. It's like really disappointing, but I mean, at the same time, you gotta get shit done. If Adobe can't hang, Adobe can't hang.
This is making me kind of subconscious. I can't work when you have that thing pointed at me.
Blake's helping us get some editing done, cutting some footage down in Final Cut.
Yeah, just built a sandwich.
I've never been one to promote Final Cut Pro.
I was the one who introduced him to iMovie Plus. I mean Final Cut Pro. And he loves it. Actually, he doesn't love it.
I don't, but
he doesn't hate it right now.
I don't
more than
hate
what
it
he can
right
say
now.
about Premiere.
Yeah.
So, it's getting the job done, which is what we need.
It's getting the job done.
So we have a deadline.
Yeah, because I gotta go work on my car. Let's get it up. Keep it up.
All right.
thought you were FedEx or something.
Really? What?
I'm so disappointed now. Thought it was a package. Yours. It's for you. But we can get this down to a much smaller package. Okay, now squeeze them together really well. Saving money. Thank you so much. How much are we gonna paint gun? Alright.
Real quick, grab paint gun and I'll just be right back after I spend that 1 minute getting a paint gun. 13 minutes later. Are you filming this?
Yeah.
13 minutes later. That's not a paint gun, by the way.
Paint gun's in there.
Ivan and Aaron then brought over the Felony form over fenders, and they were painted all fresh, looked amazing, and that was really exciting to see those.
Hey, should we do it? Let's see them.
Oh!
Hey!
Nice reflections.
Dude, that looks awesome, man.
Damn. There's a hole in that one.
You put it up next to it. Let's see it.
Likes it. It's kind of that much. Ooh. Wow. There's a whole lot of restore on the rest of the doors.
Yeah, before you like mount these on, like clean up the fenders and quarters as much as possible before you actually mount these on.
Yeah. Pushing so hard. Oh yeah, that's sick. It's really not bad.
Hey Zach,
Yeah.
when you rivet this tip one on both sides,
Be super careful.
try and heat it.
Yeah?
Yeah, heat it up as much as possible. Not like melting, but like heat it up so that way when you actually get it in and the fiberglass moves, it's fine, but the paint won't crack.
Okay. We got the over fenders mocked up on the car. This door is going to need a serious proper cut buff clay bar wax to match this paint. Yep.
This easier to drop it off here?
Yeah, this works. That's a lot of stuff, huh?
Yeah. 7 total.
7? Oh, you have, oh wow.
Yeah.
You got stuff from Optima, Sicky Manufacturing, Momo.
I got, well, that big one right up on top.
Yeah, that's the seats. That's a lot.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Pulling up the dolly, man. Run these up. Back up.
Amazing. We got more. Those are the seats.
One signature.
Thank you so much.
Hey, no problem.
Appreciate it.
Have a good night.
This is an exciting night.
What's that?
It's an exciting night.
It's all going on that.
This is like 4 different companies that all came through at the same time. Yeah.
Nice.
Building. You know, have you heard of SEMA?
SEMA. Sounds familiar.
It's a big automotive convention in Las Vegas.
Okay, yeah.
So we're just building a race car for that.
Nice. A friend of ours lives down in Texas. He restored a 71 Nova. And
Yeah?
Put a LS3 in it.
Yeah, that's what this is. You got a photo of it?
Yeah.
Wow, that's pretty.
Rotate.
this? That's just
There we go.
Well, cool, man. Well, thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, good luck.
Yeah. It's not even my birthday. So this is the Momo quick release. Wow, that's beautiful. Looks like lips. Yeah. It's suede. So that's gonna pair nicely with that quick release. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. right?
Zach wants my opinion on these, huh? I love car stuff. It's amazing.
Moment of truth.
Moments of truth.
Dope.
These are going-
Spaceship seat.
These are going in the E36. Feel good?
Yeah.
It's like a.
It's more snug than the other ones.
Here we go. Isn't that nice and milky?
Yeah.
And it's suede. Careful.
Sick.
Careful.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah, it's beautiful.